Lisa! Hi! I'm so glad you could make it.
Hello. I wouldn't miss it for the world. Happy to see you here.
This is a great party, isn't it? Maria has done an amazing job.
She really has. The apartment looks fantastic with all these decorations. I love the paper lanterns.
Me too. And the music is perfect. It's a great playlist. Loud enough to be fun, but not so loud that you can't have a conversation.
That is the perfect party volume. And so many people are here. Maria has so many friends.
She is a very popular person. It's easy to see why. She's so friendly and kind to everyone.
She really is. The atmosphere here is so warm and happy. Everyone is smiling.
It's a wonderful celebration. The weather is perfect for a garden party, too. It's such a warm evening for the end of August.
It is. We are very lucky. It's so nice to be outside. Can I get you a drink? I was just about to get myself a glass of wine.
Oh, yes, please. That would be lovely. A glass of the white wine would be great, if you don't mind.
Of course not. I'll be right back.
Thank you. I'll just stand here and enjoy the party atmosphere.
Here you are, one glass of chilled white wine.
Thank you so much, Lisa. That is very kind of you. Cheers.
Cheers. So, have you had a chance to talk to the birthday girl yet?
I have, yes. I wished her a happy birthday as soon as I arrived. She looks so happy tonight.
She really does. She is glowing. She has a beautiful new dress on.
I noticed that. The blue one. It really suits her.
So, how old is she turning today? Is it a special birthday?
It is a very special birthday. She is turning 30 today.
30. Wow. That is a big milestone. The beginning of a new decade.
I know. She was a little bit nervous about it last week. She said she was starting to feel old.
Oh, that's silly. 30 is not old at all. It is the new 20.
That's what I told her. I think it's a wonderful age. You are still young, but you are also a bit wiser and more confident than you were in your 20s.
That is a perfect description. It sounds like she is having a wonderful time tonight, so she is not worrying about her age anymore.
No, she is surrounded by all her friends and family. She is just enjoying the celebration.
As she should. It is her special day.
Did you bring her a present?
Of course. I gave it to her when I arrived. There is a big table inside with all the gifts on it.
I saw that. It's covered in beautifully wrapped presents. What did you get for her, if you don't mind me asking?
No, I don't mind at all. I know she has been wanting to try some new recipes recently.
Oh, yes. She told me she wants to get better at cooking.
So, I bought her the new cookbook by her favorite celebrity chef.
That is a brilliant gift. She will absolutely love that.
I hope so. And to go with it, I also got her a few nice kitchen utensils, a good quality whisk, and a new spatula.
That is such a thoughtful and useful present. You are a very good gift giver.
I try to listen when my friends talk about the things they want or need. What about you? What did you get for her?
I always find it so difficult to choose the perfect gift for people.
Me too. It can be very stressful.
I know that she loves to read, but I was not sure which books she has already read.
That is always the danger with buying books as a present.
So I decided to play it safe. I got her a gift voucher for that big bookshop in the city center.
A book voucher is a fantastic idea. It is the perfect present for a book lover.
I thought so. This way she can go and have the fun of choosing the exact books that she wants.
It's a thoughtful and practical gift. She will really appreciate that.
The food looks amazing, doesn't it? Have you tried anything yet?
I haven't, but I was just looking at the buffet table. It all looks so delicious.
Maria's mother is a fantastic cook. I think she made most of these things.
That would explain why it all looks so professional.
What can you see? What is on offer?
Well, I can see a very large bowl of potato salad and another big bowl of a green salad with tomatoes and cucumbers.
A very classic and sensible start. What else?
I see a big platter of mini schnitzels. They look so cute and delicious.
Oh, I love mini schnitzels. They are the perfect party food. I am definitely going to have a few of those later.
Me too. And next to them, there is a large cheese board.
A cheese board? With different kinds of cheese?
Yes, and it has grapes and crackers and some fig jam. It looks very elegant.
And I can see a plate of little open-faced sandwiches with different toppings.
This is a fantastic spread. There is something for everyone.
I am getting very hungry now just talking about it.
Me too. Should we go and get a small plate?
Let's wait just a little bit longer. I think something very important is about to happen.
What's that?
Look, Maria's father is walking out of the kitchen, and he is carrying the birthday cake.
Oh, you are right. It's time for the cake. This is my favorite part of any birthday party.
Me too. Everyone, look, the cake is here.
Wow, look at that cake, Ben. It is a masterpiece.
It is incredible. It's a huge chocolate cake, and it's covered in fresh strawberries.
And look at all the candles. There must be 30 of them, one for every year.
They are all lit. It looks so beautiful.
Maria's face. She looks so surprised and happy.
Okay, I think this is our cue. Everyone is starting to sing.
Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maria. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Hip, hip, hooray! She is so happy. Look at her big smile. Now she has to make a wish.
Yes, the big secret 30th birthday wish.
It has to be a good one. She is closing her eyes. She is thinking very hard.
And now she is going to blow out the candles. It's a lot of candles. She will need a very big breath.
She's doing it. Go on, Maria. You can do it.
She did it. She blew them all out in one breath.
Hooray! You know what they say. If you blow them all out in one breath, your wish will come true.
I hope it does. Well, that was a lovely moment.
It was. And now the second best part of the cake ceremony, we get to eat it.
The cake was as delicious as it looked. That was some of the best chocolate cake I have ever had.
It was so rich and moist. I am so full now. I think I need to stand up for a little while.
Me too. Let's stand over here, by the edge of the garden.
This is a really great playlist, isn't it? I am loving the music.
I was thinking the same thing. What kind of music is this? It's very relaxed.
I think it's a mix of soul music and some classic R&B. It's very cool and stylish.
It's perfect for a party. It has a good rhythm, but it's not too intense. It makes you want to dance a little bit, but in a very relaxed way.
Yes, it is the perfect background music for a good conversation.
Maria has great taste in music.
She always does. I remember at university, she used to make the best mixtapes for our parties.
A mixtape. Wow, that is a word I have not heard in a very long time.
I know. It shows how old we are getting. Now, everyone just uses Spotify playlists.
It is much easier, I suppose, but a mixtape was a real work of art. You had to choose the songs so carefully.
And you had to make sure they all fit onto the cassette tape. It was a real skill.
Well, Maria has not lost her skill. This playlist is perfect.
I wonder who that song is by. I really like it. It's very funky.
I am not sure, but I can use the app on my phone to identify it.
Oh, that's so clever. What is it called?
It's called Funky Friday by a band called the Sunshine Collective.
I am going to add that to my own playlist tomorrow.
So, do you know many of the other guests here tonight?
I know a few people. I recognize some faces from Maria's university days.
Me too. I can see her old roommate, Katrina, over there.
Oh, yes, with the short, dark hair. She looks great. And who is that person talking to her? The tall man with the glasses.
That is her husband, I think. His name is Paul. He is an architect.
They make a nice couple. And of course, I can see a lot of people from our office here.
Yes, almost our entire department is here. I can see our boss, Mr. Schmidt, over there by the barbecue.
He looks very different when he is not in a suit. He looks much more relaxed.
He does. And I see Lena and Peter from the design team. They are talking to Maria's parents.
It's really nice that so many of her work colleagues came to celebrate with her.
It shows how well-liked she is at the office.
It does. It's nice to see our colleagues outside of work in a social situation.
It is. You get to see a different side of them.
And you get to meet their partners and their other friends. It makes you feel more connected.
Who else do you know?
I see my old friend from yoga class, Sabine, and I think that is Maria's brother standing by the door.
Yes, that's him. It's a lovely mix of all the different parts of her life. Her family, her university friends, her work friends.
It is. It's like a map of her life, all here in one garden.
So, what have you been up to recently, Lisa? Besides working, of course.
Not too much, to be honest. The last few weeks at work have been very busy, so I haven't had much energy for anything else.
I know that feeling. Sometimes you get to the weekend and you don't want to do anything at all.
Exactly. But I have a week of holiday coming up soon, in 2 weeks' time.
Ooh, a holiday. That is very exciting. Are you going anywhere?
I am. I have booked a trip to Portugal.
To Portugal. How wonderful. I have always wanted to go there.
I am very much looking forward to it. I am flying to Lisbon, and I will spend a few days exploring the city.
I have heard that Lisbon is a beautiful city, with the old trams and the colorful tiles.
Yes. And then I am going to take a train to the coast, to the Algarve region,
For some beach time?
for a lot of beach time. My only plan is to lie on the beach, read my book, and swim in the ocean.
That sounds like the most perfect, relaxing holiday in the world.
I think so too. I need a proper break with a lot of sunshine and good food.
You definitely deserve it after all your hard work recently.
Thank you. I am already counting down the days. So that's my exciting holiday news. What about you, Ben? Do you have any trips planned?
I don't have a big holiday planned, like you, but I am hoping to take a few long weekends in the autumn.
That's a lovely idea. The autumn is a beautiful time of year in Austria for a short trip.
It is. I am planning to go hiking in the mountains for one weekend, maybe in October.
Oh, that will be beautiful. All the leaves on the trees will be changing color.
That's the plan. I want to see all the beautiful golden and red colors. And the air in the mountains is so fresh and clean.
That sounds like a wonderful way to recharge. And where else do you want to go?
For another weekend, I would love to visit Salzburg.
Salzburg. I love that city. It is so beautiful and so full of history.
I haven't been for many years. I want to visit the fortress on the hill again, the Hohensalzburg.
The views from up there are just breathtaking. You can see the whole city and the mountains.
And I want to visit Mozart's birthplace, of course.
Of course, you cannot go to Salzburg and not visit Mozart. And you have to eat a real Salzburger Knockerl.
The famous sweet soufflé dessert. Yes, that is definitely on my list of things to do.
So you have some lovely short trips to look forward to.
I do. It's always good to have something nice planned in your calendar. It gives you something to look forward to.
Well, it has been so nice to chat with you properly, Ben.
It has been lovely, Lisa. We should do it more often.
I agree. We are always so busy at the office. We never have time for a real conversation.
No. Our conversations are usually just, "Have you finished that report yet?"
Or, what time is the meeting? It's nice to just talk about holidays and music and cake.
It is. I feel very relaxed. This party has been a great success.
It has. Oh, look, our friend Katrina is waving at us. I think she wants us to come and join their conversation.
Let's go. It will be nice to talk to her.
My glass is empty anyway. I think it is time for a refill.
Me too. Let's get another drink, and then we can go and be social with some other people.
It was a pleasure talking to you.
The pleasure was all mine. Let's catch up again soon.
Definitely. Enjoy the rest of the party.
You too.